Travis Plant, I'm principal at Allendale Middle School in Allendale, Michigan. And we just had the Conquerors come in and talk to our 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. We broke it up. We did 6th graders first. They needed a different focus. And then they talked to 7th and 8th graders as well. And of course, put on one heck of a performance. Gym was rocking and rolling. The guys put on a great show. Bending and breaking things, smiles all over the place. It was a great message. They incorporated some of the things that we asked them to incorporate. It was kind of a personalized message to the kids, which we really, really appreciate. I can't thank them enough. They just did a fantastic job and a great message, great overall performance. We really appreciate it.